Today, I will tell you some YouTube reality that you will agree to do as well as relate. Do you know that thousands of videos are uploaded on YouTube in a day, out of which 5% videos rank and 95% don't? Due to so many videos on YouTube, the competition of YouTube has become very high. In any niche you upload a video, you will see that there are already many videos uploaded. Many people say that you should make a video on this topic, which is very viral in social media, which will get you so many views that you have never thought, but it is just a dream from which you have to wake up. Many people come to YouTube only for money. They think that only I will create a video, upload it, and then money will be money, but this is not the case at all. Look, if you upload a video on YouTube and this video gets 5,000 views, then you will get only 55 rupees from him. And what if your video gets 50,000 views? How much do you think it will be? Money will get only 5.5 rupees, that too with 11 RPM, and this RPM keeps increasing and decreasing. Now, if you upload 3 videos in a month and all 3 videos have 50,000 views, how much money do you think you will make with just 1600 rupees? You will meet the expenses and YouTube will keep 45% of it. Suppose you are going to get 1 lakh rupees, then YouTube will keep 45% of it and give 55,000 rupees to people. Some people only earn money on YouTube, that after uploading some videos on YouTube, they will have money only, but the reality is not that. I don't want to demotivate you in this video, I'm just here to tell you about the reality of YouTube, and only those who want to be successful on YouTube should watch this video. You guys see that so many big YouTubers are earning a lot of money, but you don't know what their background is like, how much hard work they have to do, how many struggles there are. If you're a consistent YouTuber, you're more than happy to upload your videos after making them, but another YouTuber who's watching my videos is thinking, just wake up tomorrow and upload your thumbnail and complete your video. As soon as they start doing it in the morning, they don't know what will happen, so they forget about their main work. My request to these new YouTubers is to complete their main task first, and then if they want to enjoy the whole day, then they can do the same. I do the same, I complete the main task first. After that I enjoy the whole day because there is no tension of any kind on my head. One thing YouTube has always maintained is consistency, because YouTube looks at it a lot. YouTube drops the reach of your new video if you upload it late. Because YouTube is also your income, like you have a business. You can't take time off in business to maintain your consistency. You should prepare your video in advance so that if something goes wrong, your video is ready and you just upload it. The main thing I wanted to tell you in this video was to maintain the consistency of YouTube, because YouTube has the most views on it. If you like my video and have any questions, please comment. I read every comment.